Say hi! Hey you guys, it's Jenny and little baby Jack, and this is our 6-month update and introduction to my baby. So yeah, surprise, I had a baby, obviously 6 months ago. He's born November 13th, 2025, and he has been doing so good. I am so proud of him. He is my first baby, our first baby. He is rolling over. He mostly rolls to the right. We're working on rolling to the left, but he is able to roll over multiple times. He keeps rolling and rolling front to back to front. At night, he loves to roll over and sleep more on his side and stomach, so he's rolling. He loves playing with toys. We have the skip hop little activity center table chair thing, and he loves that. I will link it down below. It is so good. I totally recommend it. It is so easy just to plop him in it when I just need to do something for 10-15 minutes, trying to finish up cooking dinner or go shower real quick and Sean's busy with something or whatever. It is so handy. Or even if we're just trying to hang out and watch TV for a bit and he's being kind of fussy, we just put him in there occasionally, and it's just something for him to play with, and he loves it. There's so much to do. We've gotten a few extra toys that suction on and stuff, and he has so much fun with that, so definitely recommend that. And I'll link some of his other toys that he loves down below also. He is getting so close to crawling. It is absolutely insane, but he's really good at getting his knees under him properly and his butt up, and then he just kind of tips forward. He gets on all fours occasionally, and he's kind of starting to rock a bit. So we are getting so close to crawling, which is also crazy and kind of terrifying, because now we're really gonna have to keep an eye on him. It's bad enough that he's rolling, and before we used to be able to change him on this changing table and keep an eye on him and go wash our hands or something, but now we really have to be with him or change him, zip him back up, and set him on the floor or in his activity center where he is safe, because otherwise he will roll off. Someone's gotta be with him all the time, and now he's gonna be crawling, so we really gotta be with you all the time. We have tried eating some solids, which it went okay. We tried carrots at first, which if you haven't seen my short, you should definitely look at it. It's funny. He was eating it really good, and then he was just getting tired of it, I think, and just kind of gagged a little bit, and it was just cracking both of us up, because he was doing fine, eating okay, and then just Bleh. But we've also done carrots was the first thing. Then we did, what else did we try? We tried pear, but then I left it out and forgot to put it in the fridge, so we tried that once. We did a bit of apples. He did well with both of those, but his favorite was sweet potatoes, which was surprising. But we've tried Gerber and we've tried the beech nut, and the beech nut was his favorite, which was the sweet potatoes. It was the beech nut organics, and he really liked those. So we're definitely gonna get some more sweet potatoes for him. Yeah, you like your sweet potatoes? But yeah, so we did try solids for a while, and that ended up not really working out a whole ton. He started to get really fussy, was kind of just refusing his bottle a lot, smacking away at it, just being really fussy. So I just intuitively, for some reason, just decided to stop giving him solids. And now he's been fine, and he's been drinking his bottle like he normally does. So I feel like even though he was somewhat ready for solids, he wasn't fully ready. So we're just kind of holding off on that, and we'll talk to his pediatrician in a few days once he has his appointment, and just kind of get her opinion and see what she thinks, because he had all the cues and everything that he was ready. He's interested in food, he's sitting up, he holds his head up right and everything. He's there. Maybe he was just being picky with the apples or something. I don't know, maybe it was too acidic or too sweet for his stomach, because that was one of the last things that he had that really made him not really want his bottle, maybe. So I don't know. Did you ever have that issue with your baby just not eating as much when you started introducing solids, that they were barely eating? Because I know once they get bigger and start eating solids, they're obviously not going to be drinking as much, not having as many bottles, because they're eating. But this wasn't he was eating a ton. He'd have maybe a few spoonfuls worth, so it's not like he ate half a jar of baby food or something. Duh, of course, then yeah, he's not gonna have an extra bottle. But now that it's slowly, hopefully warming back up, we definitely want to go to the park more. He loves swinging, he loves pulling hair, obviously, which is so much fun, with already having postpartum hair loss on top of my weight loss surgery, hair loss, even though my surgery was a failure. Ironically, he just pulls my hair, plays with it. Sometimes he'll chew on it. I try my best to tie it back, but for filming, I felt like having my hair down. He doesn't really bother my necklace a whole ton. He does grab it occasionally, but he doesn't really seem to care a whole ton. It's really just the hair that he likes to rip at. He'll try it with my mom a bit, but she's smart and she always has her hair tied back with him. We have our 6-month appointment coming up soon, so I don't know his exact measurements yet, but I will add his measurements down below once we do go next week. But when we went to his WIC appointment a while back, he was like 26.5 inches, 19 pounds, 8 ounces. That was with his outfit and a diaper on. And she did not stretch him out very good. She said he was like 26.5-ish. And I'm like, I don't think he's that small. He's a long boy. He's doing good. He's growing, and he's just really smart. He loves playing. He's really good with toys. He's been really good at grasping everything. Everything's going in the mouth. He definitely does seem like he is teething, but I feel like it's gotten better. He's not quite as slobbery. We do keep a bib on him all the time because he is just always somewhat slobbery and everything's going in the mouth, all his chewy toys, and even if it's not a chewy toy, it becomes a chewy toy. So we just kind of keep it on there to kind of help keep his shirt from getting soaked with his slobber. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I can think of. He loves to play, loves going outside, loves swinging at the park, loves all his chewy toys, and he's just overall a really happy baby, which I feel like we are so blessed. Since he was a surprise baby, I feel like we lucked out. He's been sleeping through the night for quite a while. His sleep pattern has not been great lately. He decided that he likes to go to bed at like 2-ish, 2:30 in the morning. So that's fun. We are slowly working on that. We have a trip coming up in a couple weeks, so we really need to get that bedtime up a little earlier so that we can wake up earlier in the day. That is pretty much everything. That is little baby Jack. You say hi? Hi. And we just are so blessed and so happy with our sweet little baby boy. Yeah. But if you have any product recommendations, anything that you loved with your baby when they were comparable age, anything like that, drop it down below because I love trying new things, different outfits, different toys, anything that makes life easier as a stay-at-home mama. But we love you guys so much and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. We love you so much and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!